Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Thursday evening, October 16, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Mission IR News Breaks, NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc., NASDAQ NRxP, advances keto-free TM, expands pipeline targeting urgent needs. NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc. has advanced keto-free M, a preservative-free version of ketamine, with FDA approval for its suitability petition. This allows the company to refile its ANDA for the product, a key step in bringing it to market. NRx is focused on addressing urgent psychiatric needs with programs like NRx 100 and NRx 101, targeting suicidal depression and bipolar depression. NRx's emphasis on safety and public health priorities is highlighted by its elimination of preservatives in favor of single-patient dosing. The company's pipeline expansion underscores its commitment to developing therapies for central nervous system disorders.
Investor News Breaks, HeartBeam Inc. beat, combining portability and precision to redefine future of cardiac care. HeartBeam Inc., trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, is revolutionizing cardiac care with its portable, credit card-sized device and proprietary software. This technology captures heart signals in 3 dimensions and reconstructs them into a full synthesized 12-lead ECG. The company's recent valid ECG study results highlight the potential for earlier intervention, fewer hospitalizations, and faster responses to arrhythmias. With 13 U.S. and 4 international patents, HeartBeam is poised to redefine the future of patient-centered cardiac care by providing actionable heart intelligence outside of medical facilities. For more information, visit HeartBeam's website. New grants for schools offer CPR training and resources to make campuses safer. Today, the American Heart Association launches a new financial grant program to equip 40 high school and college heart clubs across the country with CPR training and resources. These grants aim to double survival rates from cardiac arrest by 2030. Students and educators will learn life-saving skills and join the Nation of Lifesavers movement. Heart clubs empower students to lead activities supporting well-being. College grants include CPR kits and training materials, while high school grants provide funding for emergency response plans and training. Applications are due November 20th, winners announced December 8th. CPR can double or triple a person's chance of survival. Join the Nation of Lifesavers by learning CPR.
Researchers urge Canadians to donate toenails for science. Researchers at the University of Calgary are seeking up to 10,000 toenail samples from volunteers across Canada for a study on radon exposure and lung cancer risk. Early detection could improve treatment outcomes. Companies like Calgary Biotherapeutics Inc. are making strides in this field. For more information and updates, visit BioMedWire's website.
30 NFL players urge fans to join Nation of Lifesavers. Learn life-saving CPR. On World Restart a Heart Day, the American Heart Association and NFL are introducing the 2025 Nation of Lifesavers Player Ambassador Class, featuring 30 NFL players dedicated to promoting CPR. These ambassadors will amplify PSAs, social media content, and community education events. 2 ambassadors will be at tonight's Thursday night football game. The initiative aims to increase CPR awareness and training to improve survival rates of out-of-hospital cardiac arrest. The NFL Foundation provides CPR grants to teams for community CPR and AED access. The American Heart Association has collaborated with over half of NFL teams to educate players, staff, and fans on hands-only CPR. To learn more and become a lifesaver, visit heart.org/nation.
Safe and Green Holdings Corp., NASDAQ X, is one to watch. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. (HeartBeam) is a diversified holding company focused on delivering innovative solutions across infrastructure, construction, energy, healthcare, and environmental sectors. The company operates across modular construction, environmental solutions, healthcare, and energy, with SG Echo relocating to a new Texas facility for streamlined manufacturing. Olenox Energy has shown strong early production results and is expanding its U.S. energy footprint. SG Modular Medical has installations at major public sites like LAX and is collaborating on scalable healthcare delivery. Safe and Green leverages proprietary Sanitec technology for sustainable medical waste management solutions. For more information on SGBX, visit the company's newsroom. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering advanced wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community.
Pelage Pharmaceuticals secures $120 million to advance regenerative hair growth therapy. Pelage Pharmaceuticals, a biotechnology company in Los Angeles, has secured $120 million in Series B financing to advance its regenerative hair growth therapy. The funding, co-led by Arch Venture Partners and GV, will support the development of PP405, a topical small molecule designed to reactivate dormant hair follicle stem cells. Pelage aims to offer a first-in-class solution for hair loss, with its lead candidate currently in Phase 2A clinical trials. CEO Daniel Gill, Ph.D., a veteran scientist from Amgen and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, leads the company in merging research with drug development. With Kathy Friedman from GV as chair of the board, Pelage is poised to make strides in the $10 billion global hair restoration market, standing out for its small molecule approach to regenerative medicine.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.